What's the meaning of bureaucrat? Bureaucrat. Bureaucrat.
Bureaucrat. Bureaucrat. A bureaucrat is an appointed government official who is responsible for implementing and enforcing policies and regulations. Bureaucrats are typically associated with bureaucracy, a system of organization characterized by fixed rules and procedures, hierarchical structures, and impersonal relationships. The term often has a negative connotation, as bureaucrats are sometimes perceived as being overly rigid, inefficient, and unresponsive to the needs of the public. However, some argue that bureaucrats play a necessary role in ensuring continuity and stability in government operations, and that their expertise can help prevent arbitrary decision-making and corruption.